Hello everyone! Today we're gonna learn about array data structure. This tutorial is a part of the data structures and algorithm class. Array data structure is one of the most popular and frequently used data structures. It is usually used to store a large amount of data with similar patterns, like an array of names, array of phone numbers, array of financial information, and so on. Array data structure is built in JavaScript, so you can use it right out of the box without installing any third-party libraries. Let's have a look at the visualization of array. This is how it looks like in code, and this is how it roughly looks like on your computer memory, RAM. Each of the square here is an available space on your computer RAM, and each of the spaces has its own address. Your computer can use this address to immediately go to a specific space to retrieve the element that that space holds. On the application level, JavaScript makes it easier for us by mapping these addresses to indexes starting from 0 to 1, 2, 3, and so on. So on your code, when you initialize an array, these elements gonna be put on RAM, and when you access the element with index 2, it's gonna give you 4. Next, we're gonna follow our 3 steps to learn about data structure. First, see how array data looks like. Print it out. We initialize an array with 5 elements, and we print it out. What we see is what we created. This step may look so simple for array data structure, but you should never skip this step, because for more complex data structure which we're gonna learn, they will not look this simple, and printing them out greatly helps to visualize what you're dealing with. Next, we're gonna learn how to do operations on array data structure. To insert, you can use push method. Push will append a new element at the end of this array, and the complexities of push is 01. We can also insert a random element in the array with splice, and because it's random, splice take on time complexity in the worst case scenario. We can also delete randomly with splice. In this case, number 2 is removed from the array. We can access with 01 complexity with index. In this example, element at index 1 is data structure. We can search the array with includes method. Includes method will scan the whole array. So in the worst case scenario, it's gonna be on time complexity. In this example, 100 is within the array, so it returns true. However, 200 is not, so it returns false. Those are just a few of array methods to do different operations. Make sure to check out array's popular methods in JavaScript to make sure you know all possible operations. Next, always remember how fast the operation of a data structure is, especially the one with 01 time complexity, because this is the strength of a data structure. To recap, array has 01 complexity in insert at the end of the array, and 01 access with index. Everything else is on. That's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.